welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we are going to be opening up a PS4 original, and I am going to quickly take this thing off so then you guys cannot see my face. And yeah, let's jump in. That was a bit harsh, didn't need to be, but kind of did. And guys, yes, I am just doing this all by memory, so we are going to open up these 7, I think. We're going to be opening these up. Never mind. We are not. We are going to be opening this thing up real quick. The hard drive, right there. These special screws that look like this are almost always for the hard drive. Actually, they are always. Now these ones have a deeper security one, so I'm able to get into it. This one was loose. I just did my science exam today. I did pretty good. My final term grade for science is now an 88. Oh, just like I thought. I did it wrong. So actually first you're supposed to do these screws. This screw maybe. I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, this one is the one that pops off, right? Take off these bottom screws first. Don't lose these screws. What's really good about the PS4 is that it has almost all the same screws. Now there should be 3 little stickers right here instead. If you don't want to avoid your warranty, which is probably already over, just don't do this. I'm pretty sure they stopped making PS4s. I'm not sure. They all feel very loose. And this thing should pop off. Oh my gosh. A whole lot of dust just came off of this. Okay, so get this one. It's the same as the one that were outside as well. Yeah, I remember doing this. Yeah, I actually did this PS4 once before. Yeah, with the one with the long screws. Make sure to set them right, and this one for the antenna. And same outer screw. Oh, and also, apparently, this one right here. Okay, so now you want to unscrew, or not unscrew, holy, just pop this thing off before you take it off. If you really need to, and be careful, just use some tweezers just in case. Okay, so now I got that out. I didn't use the tweezers at all. I just kind of maneuvered it. Don't worry, you're not gonna break the wire. Don't worry, they made it strong. When you're lifting this up, don't put it at a tilt. Just lift it up. Okay, so we got this out. This is the power supply, and you can just set this aside. Quickly pull this out, and I guess the antenna right here. Also set this thing aside. There we go. Now you can disconnect this cord right here. And just maneuver it down right there, just like so. And pull. Now we can turn to the other side of the PS4. Just a second, I see something. Wow. Down here you should see a little screw right below where that cord was. Just a little one. And right now you should be able to lift up the disk drive. Which it is. Oh, I have Red Dead Redemption in here. Nice. That's nice. Really nice. Do not touch anything on here. Especially like right here. Right here. Right here. With all those springs. Okay, so now we're on top of the PS4 again. Take this off. 1 second. It shouldn't have been a struggle, but for me it was. Now this is where all of the screws were taken off before. Now you just lift up. And right here you should have that thing again. Or the cord. But for this one you lift up. Now we're back to the unscrewing part. Just these ones right over here. And now you want to do this. Every time you revolve, just switch each time. Now currently I do not have thermal paste, but I'm just going to go with it. There we go. Now you should easily peasily, maybe lift this up. Wait, do I have a screw that I didn't do? I might. Yes, I do. And it's right here. So unscrew it right there. And it pops off. Now this will lift off. Put this in a safe place. Like a really safe place, because if you put it on like carpet or something, it will cause electricity and cause a short circuit, just like a USB killer. Now you see the thermal paste right here and right here. If you do not have any thermal paste, do not touch it. Do not clean it, because this the cleaning agent. No, the overheating agent for this. Okay, now time to unscrew these Phillips screws. Now once you've done these screws right here, and I'm not sure where else, you can easily lift that off. Now the last component you need to do is the fan. So right here and right here should be your only targets. And you've got that, so now it's time to take out that fan. And this thing right here. Now, I recommend that you don't give this a bath. You just give it a little touch up with like Q-tips, alcohol. And no, not the alcohol you find in your parents' cabinets. Yeah, let's get started. Now I'm quickly going to blow dry this out with like a reverse vacuum cleaner. And as you can see, it's all clean now. And now for the fan, I'm gonna quickly do the same thing. Okay, I got it finished. Doesn't look like much, but it did a lot. I saw it all coming on my hand. Oh my gosh. Now it's time for the bottom. I'll quickly do this with Q-tips. And there we are. Good. That's good. Actually, good is great. What am I talking about? My project is perfect. And now we're going to be putting it all back. Goodbye. It's good cleaning you out. Sort of. How do I put this on? There, like that. Now you want to do these screws now. And we are going to put that metal top on there like this. Do not touch this thermal paste. Another reminder. Now it's time to do these 3 screws. Now it's time to reconnect the motherboard. I'll do this off camera real quick. And there we go. We do this thing first, right here. Now you want it to like go in upwards angle. And same with this, you do these equally. Okay, we're done. Actually, no, we aren't. We have to take this screw up. There we go. And just pop it in like it's easy. I got it. There we go. Now you want to screw in these little screws that you've done before. And this is it for anyone who needs to see this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, 2. I don't think there's 3, 4. So, yeah. Now you're flipping it over, putting the disk drive in. Just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now this is the black screw that you need down here. And now it's time to put this cord in, like this. And just push that in. And under. And then easily plug it in. Now it's time for this little cord. It's pretty long. People over exaggerate stuff, under exaggerate stuff actually. So we got this open. Antenna goes right go and screw some more. Great. There we go. The antenna's in. There we go. We are good. First, we want to plug this in. Try it anyways. And that was actually kind of easy. I was expecting a lot more trouble. After this episode, you can find my obituary on the web soon. Okay, I'm done this now, but not quite yet. Because I gotta do these things. Now it's time to put on the back of the PS4. This is the back, right? That's the back. And just like that. And then we screwed it. Okay, so I got these 4, and right here, these 4. There. Flip it over. We got here. We put in the hard drive carefully because holds some stuff we don't know. And we got this thing as well. And we snap it on. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna see if it turns on, and it does. Does it eject discs? No. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for the next video, and peace out.